Engineering graphics. It is the one subject in the stream of engineering, which has lots of questions to be answered. We will resolve it with the practical applications. Why it's been included in engineering. And that too for every streams in common. And, what's the purpose in it? Imagination and creativity would be the appropriate words of engineering graphics. Technical drawing helps us to sketch out our imaginary visions, and the things perceived by our eyes. Verbal and written communication has been outdated, due to its inefficient practice in the mind of the reader. But, graphical communication provides precise technical direction of the end product, for the consumers. Most importantly, it visualizes a real-world object, which is in 3 dimension, and can be put it down on the paper as 2 dimension.